Hello and welcome to Full Course Online. Digging through settings or control panel just to make small changes in Windows is not always the best use of your time. With a simple keyboard shortcut and a few words, you can open powerful system tools instantly. First, let's talk about temporary files. Instead of manually navigating through hidden app data folders, you can open the temporary folder instantly. Press Windows +R to open Run Windows. Now type %temp% and press Enter. The temporary files folder opens immediately. Press Ctrl+A to select all files, then press Delete. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Continue. If some files are in use and cannot be deleted, simply skip them. This quick cleanup can free space and sometimes improve system responsiveness. Next, consider date and time settings. Instead of clicking through multiple layers in settings, press Windows +R to open Run Windows. Type timedate.cpl and press Enter. The classic date and time window opens. From here, you can click Change Date and Time to adjust the clock manually. You can also switch to the Additional Clocks tab to add different time zones. Everything is organized in one compact window, making changes faster and more straightforward. Now let's look at system troubleshooting. Press Windows +R to open Run Windows, type msconfig, and press Enter. The system configuration window appears. In the Boot tab, you can enable Safe Boot to start Windows in safe mode. In the Services tab, you can hide all Microsoft services and disable third-party services to troubleshoot conflicts. In the Startup tab, you can open Task Manager to manage startup applications. This single tool gives you control over important diagnostic settings without jumping between different menus. Sometimes you need special characters that are not easily accessible from your keyboard. Press Windows +R to open Run Windows, type charmap, and press Enter. The character map window opens. Choose a font, browse through available characters, click the symbol you need, then click Select and Copy. You can paste it into any document, email, or design project. This tool is especially useful when working on professional documents. Adjusting sound settings is another area where modern Windows menus can feel cluttered. Press Windows +R to open Run Windows, type mmsys.cpl, and press Enter. The classic sound window opens. Under the Playback tab, select your speakers or headphones and click Set Default. Under the Recording tab, choose your microphone and set it as default. In the Sounds tab, you can customize system sounds or disable the Windows startup sound. Everything is available in one organized window. Mouse settings also have a powerful classic panel that many users forget exists. Press Windows +R to open Run Windows, type main.cpl, and press Enter. The Mouse Properties window appears. In the Buttons tab, you can adjust double-click speed or enable click lock, which allows you to drag items without holding the mouse button continuously. In the Pointers tab, you can change the cursor theme. In the Pointer Options tab, you can change pointer speed, enable or disable enhanced pointer precision, and adjust visibility options. When it comes to uninstalling programs, the Settings app often requires scrolling through long lists. Press Windows +R to open Run Windows, type appwiz.cpl, and press Enter. You will see a clear list of all installed programs. You can sort them by name, size, or installation date. To remove a program, simply select it and click Uninstall. This method remains one of the fastest ways to manage installed applications. Finally, performance settings are crucial, especially if your system has limited RAM or feels slow. Press Windows +R to open Run Windows, type System Properties Performance, and press Enter. The Performance Options window opens instantly. In the Visual Effects tab, you can choose Adjust for best performance to disable animations and visual effects or manually customize them. In the Advanced tab, you can manage processor scheduling and virtual memory. Clicking Change under Virtual Memory allows you to configure the paging file size. These settings can significantly affect system performance, especially on older hardware. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.